Who is that? Hello, everyone. Grandparents, Uncle Leon. Mom and Dad, our grandparents and Uncle Leon are coming.
Oh, what a surprise.
Hi, Tom, Mary. Hi, Alex, Sophia. Hi, everybody. This morning we went to the north for some business, and we stopped by on our way back.
You can tell us in advance so we can be well prepared.
Oh, no. We just keep visiting. We want to visit our children. We don't want you to serve us. Will we do something, Mom? Of course, girl. Mom, Dad, and Leon, just rest. Alex and Tom will go buy some things. Mary and I will prepare the food and clean up a bit. Okay. We'll visit the garden, recalling memories of our 50-year time. Dad, what do grandparents like to eat?
Oh, to say the least, Grandpa and Grandma never told me about a specific food. But he really loves lasagna with garlic bread.
I like it too.
You inherited more things from him than me. He was once a talented designer.
Really, Dad?
You should know the statue in the central square. He himself designed that for the city.
Really? They must have paid him a lot of money.
That's right, but he denied to take a penny.
Why was that, Dad? I would be able to buy a lot of toys.
That's one thing he always taught me. It's about giving.
What does that mean?
You will feel happy when you give rather than try to benefit yourself. The city was just newly established at that time. It was like a small town.
I learned about this in history class.
Right, and he was a young designer fresh out of college. He volunteered to design the statue for free so that the people in the city could be proud. Now elders in the city see him with respect. Isn't that the biggest pay?
Well, you're right, Dad. While we wait for Dad and Tom to return, I will make some delicious dishes that Grandma taught me when I first married Dad. Mom, please show me too. Of course. Did Grandma teach you to cook plenty of dishes? Plenty. She also showed me knowledge that I never knew. All her life, she was a hard-working accountant. She supported Grandpa a lot and raised Dad and Uncle to be good people. Wow, Grandma is very good at math, right, Mom? Yes, she can play with numbers like you play with toys. Great! I'll ask her to teach me math. If so, ask her to teach you Excel, too. Excel? It's a computer software that helps you perform huge calculations with thousands of formulas. 30 years ago, when computers began to be used in work, Grandma was at an early old age and had to take care of her family. However, she did not hesitate to learn new knowledge, which helped her keep up her work. She's really good. Thanks to her, Dad now is a good man, and Grandpa can overcome difficulties. I admire her very much. The garden is still as beautiful as ever. That's right, Chris. Alex and Sophia took very good care of it. Oh, this is the cedar tree we planted the year Alex was born. 30 years have passed. The boy and the tree are so tall right now. And perhaps he will never forget Charlie, the childhood friend who was with Alex until we gave birth to Leon. Really, Dad? That's right. Alex would have had a plenty lonely childhood without Charlie. Unlike you, Alex is extroverted, but he had few good friends.
You can stay at home forever without feeling sad. Everyone has their own features. Alex always tried to spend time with me. Thanks to that, I didn't need friends to be happy. The boy has tried very hard. I remember when he first went to work. He was coping. Luckily, he found a suitable job. Thanks to that, he can take care of this house and garden. Oh, Alex and Tom are back. Let's give them a helping hand. Everyone, happy dinner. Wow, lasagna and garlic bread. Exactly, Dad. I remember the day you told Mom that you really liked it. You still remember? How could I forget? Here's your Mountain Dew, Leon. Cool, bro. It's an occasion for us to be together. I hope we are always healthy and happy like this. No matter what, we always support each other. Cheers! That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.